million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me out this sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
Y'all know I'm excited because I came on here with the stocking cap on my doggone head. Y'all, I'm back with some synthetic drip as we continue with this red and blonde series on the channel. This has actually been a lot of fun. I've discovered a lot of wigs that I might not have reached for, different color blends and blondes and reds, and it has been, like I said, a lot of fun. I have four blonde units from Janet Collection, all in different variations of blonde. So we shall see. Bam, there it is. Okay. This wig, like I said, by Janet Collection, it is in the style Java, J-A-V-A, and this one is in the color Honey Blonde, which is so pretty, y'all. Java comes with Swiss lace, a pre-plucked hairline. Yeah, I'll show it to you. She's heat safe up to 360 degrees. Now on the stock card, that's giving very Beyonce, huh? On the stock card, that's a different blonde blend, and she is wearing toffee cream. Y'all check this honey blonde. Now y'all know I normally hate warm blonde, so when I saw honey blonde, I was thinking, ooh. But then I saw it, y'all. This is such an ashy, pretty, just highlighted, low-lighted, dark-rooted wig. Y'all, this is absolutely gorgeous. Java came with lace that I've cut off. That's all I've done because y'all know I like to do everything with y'all. This color just blew my mind. If I could, I would want my real hair. Don't laugh. Oh, Lord. But it's the stocking cap pushing my hair back. If I could, I would want my real hair to be this color. And it almost is. So super pretty. Java comes with a comb in the back and adjustable straps. And then in the front, you get ear-to-ear lace, a lace part, comb to the right, comb to the left, and baby hairs. Okay. Y'all, it's just, and it smells good because y'all know that matters to me. It is really pretty straight out of the packaging, but y'all know I'm going to put her on, play around with her, and then come back and talk to you about my final thoughts on Mr. Java. I'll be right back. Lord, be right back. So I'm back with my final thoughts. Y'all, today has been a Janet Collection today. Like, I'm only filming hair by them. And I just want to reiterate that Janet Collection is really one of the companies that I think that we don't reach for enough. Because I'm not sure the order these been uploaded. I've already filmed a bunch of the Crescent Bang human hair wigs by them and was just shocked by how nice all of those were. I cannot lie to you. This is a Java shocked the heck out of me too, because I assumed that with this blonde color, it being long, that's asking for issues. Y'all, I can get my hands straight through this. This is very big, Grecian, beautiful waves. Y'all know I'm working on my angles when I film, but I should have put some footage in there where the phone is this way, so you can, this way. When the phone is vertical, so you can see the length of this wig. I'm 5'5". Here's my belly button, and there's where she hits. I 1010% recommend that you get this wig. If the blonde is too much for you, which this honey blonde, because it's so ashy. It's perfect for me. This would be absolutely gorgeous in a black, a more natural tone as well. If you look in that description box, I try to remember to put a few places where you can go and pick Java up. Y'all, we have 3 other blonde color jobs done by Janet Collection. As we continue with this blonde series, I'm excited to jump into them. So that's what we're gonna do. Like I always say, maybe you aren't into wigs. Maybe it's your cousin. It ain't Java. What is this? What is this? What is this? Yes, maybe it's your cousin Java. I don't know. Maybe it's your Uncle Jose. Whichever one, send them my way. Me and Janet Collection, we get them right, y'all. This is pretty. Until next time, which will be very, very, very soon. Bye, y'all.